All right, we are bringing home a puppy for Daisy.
Miniature Australian
Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Our little Daisy was missing some friend, and now she's gonna have a little sister.
By the name of?
Ruby.
Daisy, come.
She's dripping.
Come.
Come on. Come. She's dripping. It's okay. It's
Get her water.
Yeah.
Come.
Everything is new to her.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get her some water.
She's getting used to Daisy. Everywhere we walk, she walks there in between your legs, so you gotta be careful not to step on her. June 23rd. She was born April 1st.
She likes her ear rubs.
So we got from a couple in Hepworth, and they said that they rescued her from an Amish family. So these are both country ladies. Daisy was from Chesley. Walk. See how she follows you. Collar.
Okay.
See, she likes to be in between your legs.
She's so silly. Go, Daisy, play her.
Walk down this way.
Look at her tail.
Yeah.
Hi, Daisy girl.
Come, walk.
Daisy. Daisy girl. Come, Daisy.
What do you smell? Okay, we're trying to get Ruby out for a bath. Where is she? There she is. Okay, Ruby, come. Come, Ruby. How are we gonna do this? Ruby. Ruby, come. Ruby, let's go. Let's go, Ruby. Come on, Ruby. All right, there she is. For her first bath. Okay.
I know. Good girl.
You want the ladle?
Oh my God.
Good girl.
Good girl. Daisy, remember your first time? Good girl, Ruby. Good girl. I know.
I'll help you. Okay, so we finished. We had to bathe her twice,
Oh.
2 rounds. She was incredibly dirty.
Now she's like a little bear.
She's probably shaking, scared a bit.
Little scared.
She defecated in the pool, in the bathtub because she was kind of afraid.
But that's okay. That's okay. Right, Daisy? You did the same thing.
Beginning of new memories. Of never
Ah.
forgetting Buddy and the old ones.
No, we will never forget our babies in heaven. This is for our baby Daisy. New friends.
And this is where she will stay. And this is where she will sleep.